Thanks to Keeping Up with the Kardashians, we all have a pretty good idea of who Scott Disick is. But did you know the famous actor leads a millionaire lifestyle and takes pride in his insane car collection that's worth millions? So, what are some of the most luxurious cars in Scott Disick's collection? Let's find out! He owns 3 European sports cars, a Mercedes G-Wagon, a Sprinter van, and a Range Rover. He also posted a photo on Instagram of a $280,000 2020 white Ferrari with the caption, "New F8 looks great." Jealous yet? Recently, in 2021, he added another sexy car to the list, a Lamborghini Urus. But these are only a few of the cars from his collection. Now, let's take a look at the other amazing unique cars in Scott Disick's collection. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you an inside look at Scott Disick's luxurious car collection worth millions. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Famous reality TV star Scott Disick, best known for his supporting character in Keeping Up with the Kardashians, loves nightlife and parties. He has had several business ventures, including starting the apparel brand Talentless, investing in nightclubs, and running several vitamin companies. He became famous over time, and as of 2021, he has a net worth of $45 million. Not only does he focus on finding different sources of income, he also has a long list of things he spends his millions on. The celebrity always enjoys showing off his unique style. Scott has recently been buying brand new classic cars. It was reported that he bought a classic Maybach 57S. This amazing car cost around $417,402 with a mileage of up to 8.47 kmpl. This model has a bhp of 603.7 and supports the engine up to 5,980 cc. The features of this model allow its customers to enjoy automatic transmission with a space of 4 seats and airbags to ensure their safety. Not to mention, the model comes with a sedan body type and 605 liters of boot space. Moving on to the next best car on the list, the Bmw i8 is worth a whopping $147,500. The car's driving experience and resource efficiency, coupled with its top-notch eco-friendly tech features, make it the ideal sports car. Yes, sports car lovers, this car should definitely be at the top of your wish list. And we all know how much Scott loves sports cars, so it was a mandatory car in his collection. If we take a deeper look at Scott's car collection, the list would never end because he is always buying and selling cars as he only likes to keep the latest models in his collection. So, what are the cars that Scott uses on a daily basis? There is nothing for you to worry about because they are next on our list. So, make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. We all know how much Disick is willing to spend when it comes to buying luxurious cars. Like many other celebrities, Scott spends millions on buying and upgrading his cars. Among many other models, the one that Scott is regularly seen driving is a Lexus SUV. Scott often uses his car to travel to nearby destinations. Scott got his Lexus customized, and it is one of the most luxurious cars in the world. Apart from that, Scott has also been spotted driving an Audi R8, as well as an antique Ferrari model. Even though these cars aren't as expensive as the other cars in his collection, they still do add a classy touch to it. Obviously, the actor leads a lavish lifestyle. If this is what his car collection looks like, imagine what the rest of his luxurious belongings are worth. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Scott Disick? And which car in his collection did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.